Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Codeblocks for C programming. First, download and install Codeblocks from its official website, ensuring you select the version with a bundled compiler like MinGW for Windows. Once installed, launch the application to begin setting up your first C project. This IDE offers a robust environment for writing, compiling, and debugging your C code efficiently, making it a popular choice for many developers. To create a new C project, navigate to the File menu, select New, and then click Project. From the wizard, choose Console Application and ensure C is selected as your programming language. Give your project a meaningful name and choose a suitable folder for saving all its associated files. This setup generates a basic project structure, including a main.c file, ready for your code. After creating your project, open the main.c file in the editor to start writing your C code. Once your code is complete, go to the Build menu and select Build to compile your program. If there are no errors, an executable file will be generated. You can then run your program by selecting Run from the Build menu, or by navigating to the Output folder and executing the file directly. Codeblocks offers powerful debugging tools. You can set breakpoints by clicking in the margin next to a line of code, allowing you to pause execution and examine variable values. Use the debugger controls to step through your code line by line, helping you identify and fix issues efficiently. Explore other features like code completion and custom build options to enhance your workflow. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.